So just walking, maybe you can get sick in India. Shani Maharaj. So guys, look at all these cables right here. Now we are going towards Chavdi Bazaar. Follow. Little scared that it doesn't give me, bad stomach after sitting right here in the streets and changing bills. Look at this shop, guys. He has decorated it so good, and this is how it's sitting below. This is the beauty of India. Different kind of milkshakes. Ya llegamos, amigos. Casi la próxima estación es nuestro estación para llegar. Y ahora sí llena la metro porque sí es la zona más poblada de Nueva Delhi.
Listo, amigos, lo hicimos. Hemos llegado a la Vieja Delhi, para ser más específicos en Chandni Chowk.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gypsy. Today we are at Chandni Chowk and this is the new mall in Chandni Chowk. It's beautiful, guys. They made it very new and the architecture is good, and this is my first time coming here. So they are presenting basically all the ethnic clothing here, but in a new modern way. So yeah, Chandni Chowk is going a little more modern this time, and this is how it looks, guys. Everything here but in a modern form. Of course, if you are checking that, of course if you are looking for something cheap, you still need to go to the old Chandni Chowk, the little streets going inside. But yeah, here is everything you can find outside, you can also find here inside this mall. Let's go out towards the old Chandni Chowk because we're gonna be walking, trying street food today here in Chandni Chowk, old Delhi, Delhi Viega. And I cannot tell you what more you can say, but here are all the brands here, the big brands from Chandni Chowk which were there in the small streets, which were doing actually the business, have opened their stores here. And I like the roof. Guys, we reach outside and here is Chandni Chowk, the old Chandni Chowk. So this is how the mall looks from outside, and this is the old Chandni Chowk road and it goes towards that side, and where you will find all the streets. Guys, we reached the center part of Chandni Chowk and here the market is starting. Look at these sweets that are right here, different kind of sweets. All Faluda Kulfi, but so many varieties of sweets that are here. Wow. And also different kind of milkshake. There is the hot sweet. And now we keep walking and we're gonna find more and more street food here. So people from all over the world come here to eat in Chandni Chowk. Jalebi. One side is the masjid, the mosque for Muslims, and one side is the Gurudwara for Sikhs. This is the beauty of India, if you see. And there must be one temple hall here also somewhere near. This is beauty of India, you can see everything together. One mosque, one Gurudwara, and here we're gonna walk now towards that side to see what is there, more street food. We want to see street food today, all kind of street food. Maybe we'll try, but maybe we'll not try, but we want to see all type of street food and capture all the things. For example, look at this guy. He's sitting below, he's selling something called kachori up, and these are the prices. Like starts with almost less than $1, and this is how he's sitting below. People just passing by, and he's sitting below serving kachori. Up also is serving kachori, and nice setup, up and down. This guy right right here, change your own tone of bills or the note or the currency for new ones. So if you have any old notes, you can come here and change your notes. Like it's a profession, huh? To change these notes. He knows how it works. So yeah, he's sitting right here in the streets and changing bills of different people. If you can see. Look at this shop, guys. He has decorated it so good, like you can actually know what he's selling inside. These are the ice creams which are made from milk. Also there are like shakes and everything, and all are selling the same things, and it's famous from here, huh? The taste is famous from here, that's why. And if you look more there, see? Ya quiero tratar, amigos. I want to try, guys, the food, but little scared that it doesn't give me, bad stomach after, because I know. You need to eat from a hygienic place, because yes, it can give you stomach ache and it can give you some diarrhea or something. I'm just looking for some place very hygienic so I can eat from there. The last place I looked was looking very hygienic, but he was not selling me the small glass, and I cannot completely eat the whole big glass. So I said no. Now let's check here.
Amigos, me estoy comprando unas palomitas envueltas en una bolsa hecha de papel de libro. Tiene mango.
Bolo.
मैडम ऊपर से नीचे आओ फिर मैंने तू लेके दे दे तू अपने आप से 300 रुपये देने होते हैं कल्लू को अभी यूँ कर रहा है यूँ मना भी कर रहा है शाम को आ जाइएगा शाम
Guys, now we are going towards Chavdi Bazaar from Chandni Chowk, and this is the road that you need to cross to go to Chavdi Bazaar. And here is also a lot of street food, golgappas, this nimbu pani, lemon soda, and this is pan with chole, wo garbanza, wo tikki, very famous. People are selling street food everywhere, almost everywhere. I don't remember what it is. I think it's one of the fruit that you drink. It's like a drink. And let me see what it is. I also know. No, this is guava, not is the same thing. And when we are going towards Chavdi Bazaar, there are more people and more cargo that people are using. There is lemon soda that he is preparing on the street. Everything costs less than $50, $1. So yeah, Vianney is aquí grabando, secando en la calle. ¿Qué está haciendo? Guys, look at it. How many people are here? This side and that side is full of people. All people, full. So as you see, people are just walking here and there. The street keeps getting smaller, again big, less people, more people. It keeps going on like this. But of course, if you are coming to India for the first time, all these people gonna get you sick for sure. But it's not like people who live here like me will get sick just because we came here. No, we eat on the street. No, we can be careful to select the place where we eat, but it's not like we're gonna get sick just because we are here. But yes, if you come from outside, you're gonna be exposed to so many people, and so many people have so many, how do you say, different bacteria, viruses that maybe it doesn't affect the body after 10-15 times, but the first time it can affect you. So just walking, maybe you can get sick in India, but it's part of the travel, you know. It's not like if you are getting sick, you will not travel. You will still travel. It doesn't matter. But yeah, you can be a little more careful about the food that you eat from the street. For example, this guy is making the food here. I don't know how hygienic he is making. Look at the oil. Look at the person. And you know, it looks clean, huh? There is water, fresh water right here, the groundwater. And he is even the floor is quite clean, but I cannot say that it's completely safe to eat out here. No, it's safe in some sense, but it's not safe in other sense. Aquí hay dos changos, amigos. Mira, una changuita y una chango arriba. Sí hay.
¿Quién le va a robar el chango?
Sí, sí, sí. Pero yo gusta la arquitectura atrás, es muy viejito. Por eso sí dice Vieja Delhi, porque mira, todos los cables que está aquí, mira. So guys, look at all these cables right here. No one can figure out which cable belongs to whom. If you cut one cable, how many people will be affected? You don't know. You can just guess.
Oye, pero según yo estaba diciendo que a lo mejor ya están muy antiguos y ya no están conectados a la electricidad, ¿o sí?
Sí está conectado, amor, ¿cómo crees? But no one cuts the cables because they don't know which cable is connected to which one.
Cuando vino Rubén, a Rubén le sorprendió mucho eso.
Y mira, amigos, all the cables, but this is the architecture, the old architecture of old Delhi. Let's walk more into the streets and keep looking things like this. Temples, small temples. It's closed right now, the temple, that's why there is one curtain. But we're gonna walk in more and more small roads to explore more what is right here. We are going to the other metro station, from there we will go back. This is also one temple in the middle of nowhere. Wow. Yeah, you can take. Tráfico, amigos, tráfico. Muchísimo tráfico. Para cruzar necesito cruzar como así, mira. Guys, we are in Chavdi Bazaar right now, and Chavdi Bazaar is famous for machine. And this is Shani Maharaj. Jai Shanidev Maharaj, Jai Shanidev Maharaj. Si tiene como... No. So this guy is famous for machinery, equipments, hardware, and books, this and that. But look how are the street. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Keep watching, keep subscribing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. And that's it. I'm posting all the videos in 4K, so great 4K content is coming, guys. Put on your TVs, turn on your TVs, put my videos and watch all the videos that you can. Bye bye.